In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for designers. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the official Monday.com website. Once you've arrived there, look for the Login button, which can typically be found at the top right corner of the page. Click on that button to access your personal account dashboard. This is where all your projects will be managed. Now, once you're on your dashboard, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. Here, you'll find a navigation bar. Look for a plus icon, often located near the bottom of the navigation options. Clicking on this plus icon will open up a menu with multiple options. From that menu, select the Template Center. This is a fantastic resource that allows you to explore a variety of pre-made project board designs tailored for different needs. It's a great time saver for anyone in a creative field, as these templates are designed to help streamline your workflow. In the Template Center, you'll see a search bar. Type digital asset into this search bar to find a template that's specifically created for managing creative content. This particular focus is crucial for designers who often juggle multiple assets and projects. Once you hit Enter, a list of relevant template results will appear. Simply click on the one that best suits your style and needs. This will take you to a structured layout designed specifically for your design tasks, making it easier to visualize what you have to do. After reviewing the template, look for the button labeled Use Template. By clicking this button, you are adding this specific board into your current workspace. It's an essential step, as it creates a personalized space for your projects. Now, it's time to wait a few moments while the system loads the template and sets up the various project management columns. Depending on your internet speed, this shouldn't take long. Patience is key here. Once the loading is complete, you can start adding your design drafts and final project files to the newly created Asset Management Board. This board is your playground for organizing everything creative. Think of it as your digital portfolio that evolves with your work. As you start to fill in the board, don't forget that you can customize the columns and team members according to the unique needs of your creative workflow. Whether it's adding new columns for specific stages of your design process, or assigning team members to particular tasks, this flexibility will help ensure that everyone is on the same page. And just like that, you're done. You now have a fully functional project board on Monday.com tailored specifically for your design projects. With these tools at your disposal, you'll find managing your creative tasks not only easier, but also more enjoyable. Happy designing!